Fabian Guzman is set to go down against Jose Rodriguez. Fabian Guzman having a record of 8-0, while Jose Rodriguez did pretty well at Pan American Games and Paris Olympics. He lost to Nishan Dev, but it was a split decision. And this guy has skills. He defeated Kenny Alvarez. And no, he is not a bad fighter at all. Fabian Guzman having 8-0. I think this is gonna be a good fight. Guzman destroyed Brian Rehui, Daniel Lim, Travis Floyd, Corey Cook, Michael Aman, Robert Johnson, Raheem Cook, Luis Guerra. But I think against Rodriguez it's gonna be a close fight, and I believe Fabian Guzman has slight advantage, but we mustn't underestimate Rodriguez because when you compete at the Olympics, when you compete at Pan American Games, it means that you're no joke. Ecuador has never had good boxers, but right now, Jose Rodriguez might become the first good out of there, so going with over 6.5, giving advantage to Guzman.